School Director Sir on his stage. Give a huge round of applause.
First of all, good morning to all my students, staff, teachers and all. And very happy Independence Day to all of you. No response? Thank you. This is 75th Independence Day. I think some of the senior students can understand the meaning, but the kids might doesn't know what is the meaning of 75th Independence Day. This is the day when will we free from the Britishers' rule. But we have passed 75 years. But even then, do you know, this is a school. We are running the educational institutions. But how many percentage of education is there in our district, Navada district? Do you know? Not only 75, it is below than that. Therefore, I had given one responsibility to our students, because you are the future, you are the nation builder. Therefore, I had given each one teach one. That was your responsibility now. The national freedom fighters were fought and given. They have handed over the country to you. Now this is your responsibility how you will improve education, because education is the most important thing. That is gives you everything. If you are a fortunate one, you are getting the education. But several students are still, several children are not there. They are not getting the education. So this is your responsibility. Through each one teach one. Only 6, 7 and 8 students are doing this opportunity. You have to teach at least one student so that we can convert this, our Navada district, 100% literate in India. One day we can say, this coordinator is Archana Miss and all your teachers, they are supporting you. You have to do this. If the students will not do it, I will not allow them to do the registration in class 9, because this is also important for you, so that you know only your duty is not only to take education. Your duty is to take the social responsibility also. Education means what? Only getting the books, reading the books, getting the marks and becoming an officer, that is not the education. Education means you are an educated child of your father, parents, and then you can serve the nation, serve your parents, serve all the society. Nowadays, our education is a pure, you can say, concerned with the only this monetary. But we have to do something social also. So, I would request under this Tiranga, we have to take an oath. We will teach at least one person in our life, one illiterate person in our life, whether it is our parents, our near neighbors or anyone else. That is our responsibility. That at least we will do it. The second responsibility of your education. You are here for education, so must think for your own study. How I will do that? In the last CBSE exam board, several students done very nice. Now you have take, who will bring 100% marks? Raise your hands. Who will bring this year 198, 99% marks? At least keep. Only then you can do that. Think that I will do it. It is not very far away, because you have several good teachers. They have proved it. If you will do hard labor, you can achieve. And the person who will got 100%, 98%, even 95% plus, I will give a special award to them. This is my promise in this board examination. So now you forget everything and just do honestly, do 20 pages that will give a lot of things to you. Every day must write 20 pages. Every day complete your all the things whatsoever you are studying in the same day. You just memorize it and write by your own. I am sure, but today is not the day to give you lecture on this education. Today is the national Freedom Day. So we all have to celebrate this very nicely with very happy. All of you just enjoy, but under discipline. Because if we will break the discipline, we cannot achieve anything. Already everything is in your logo. Already I told several things to you in the last meeting. And one more thing, I would like to announce from here with proud that our students completed first time in PPSC with rank. Mr. Sasi Kumar, today I am going to give award to him. He is coming in Madhubhiga. He was our own students. And the two national player, they are going to foreign for playing handball. I am also going to honor today in Madhubhiga. So either sports or education or anything, we have created history. Don't think how many a small school is. How many a small school is nothing. You are the only unit. Don't see the mahal, see the unit brick. कोई भी 5-star होटल हो, 7-star होटल हो, महल हो, इस बिल्डिंग को नहीं देखिए, उसके ईंट को देखिए. लोग ईंट को नहीं देखते, बोलते नहीं तो बड़ा सुंदर महल है, लेकिन अगर उसका ईंट सुंदर होगा तभी महल सुंदर होगा. नींव जितना मजबूत होगा उतनी ही ऊंची इमारत होगी. इसलिए बच्चों, नर्सरी LKG UKG से आप अपने नींव को मजबूत कीजिए, एजुकेशन को मजबूत कीजिए. हमारे शिक्षिकाएं आपके साथ पूरा सहयोग कर रही हैं और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारे बच्चे आज छोटे हैं, कल हमारे भारत के भविष्य बनेंगे और निश्चित ही दयाल पब्लिक स्कूल के साथ साथ अपने माँ बाप, अपने घर, अपने शहर, अपने देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे. इसमें कहीं कोई दो मत नहीं है. आज जो नेशनल प्लेयर बन रहा है आर्यन राज और मोहम्मद रसूल है ना, वो आज भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व विदेशों में करने जा रहा है. अब सोचिए, यहीं का बच्चा. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैं बहुत जल्दी आपको क्रिकेट का प्रैक्टिस के लिए माधोबिगा में बनवाने जा रहा हूँ. जो क्रिकेट बच्चे खेलते हैं उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए प्रैक्टिस नेट पर होगी और वो सारी सुविधाएं बहुत जल्दी मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. आपको हैंडबॉल के लिए, वॉलीबॉल के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, चूंकि यहाँ पर जगह नहीं है, वो सारी चीजें आपको स्पोर्ट्स के लिए माधोबिगा में ही उपलब्ध हो पाएंगी. और एक दिन, हफ्ता में एक दिन बच्चे जाएंगे वहाँ और वहाँ पर उनका स्पोर्ट्स होगा. इसके साथ साथ मैं एक चीज और बता देना चाहता हूँ. बच्चों जो लास्ट में खड़े हैं, जरा बातों पर ध्यान दें. नहीं तो यही हाल आपका क्लास में भी होता है और यही हाल होता है, रिजल्ट खराब हो जाए. और अगर यहाँ रिजल्ट खराब हुआ तो देश खराब हो जाएगा बेटा. इसलिए इस पर ध्यान दो. ये छोटी मोटी बात नहीं है. आज मैं वैसे लोगों के साथ मिल रहा हूँ, बैठ रहा हूँ, देख रहा हूँ जो सब हम लोग की तरह कभी बचपन में थे और आज बड़े होकर के देश सेवा में लगे हुए. उनको कोई लालच नहीं है और देश आगे बढ़ रहा है उन्हीं लोगों के चलते. कुछ स्वार्थी लोगों के चलते नहीं देश बढ़ता. आप एक प्रण कीजिए कि हम देश का एक ऐसा युवक बनेंगे, नवयुवक बनेंगे, जो आजादी तो मिल गई लेकिन इस आजादी को हम बरकरार रखेंगे और देश को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर बना कर रखेंगे. धन्यवाद.